there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of content creation and all things YouTube. Today, we're going to answer a question that's been on everyone's mind. How much money do Pakistani YouTubers actually make? It's time to lift the curtain and reveal the truth. So, buckle up and let's get started. Before we jump into the numbers, it's important to understand that the earnings of YouTubers can vary widely depending on numerous factors such as the channel's niche, the number of subscribers, engagement, and revenue streams. While we can't give you exact figures for each Pakistani YouTuber, we can certainly shed some light on the subject. To analyze the earnings of Pakistani YouTubers, we delved into their revenue sources, primarily advertisements, sponsored content, and merchandise. Let's take a closer look at each of these. Advertising revenue constitutes a significant portion of a YouTuber's income. In Pakistan, the CPM, cost per 1,000 views, for YouTube ads can range from 50 cents to $4, depending on factors like the audience demographics and the advertiser's preferences. Channels that garner a large number of views and have an engaged audience tend to make more money from ad revenue. To put things into perspective, let's compare two popular YouTubers in Pakistan. YouTuber A has around 500,000 subscribers and receives an average of 200,000 views per video, while YouTuber B boasts 2 million subscribers and receives an average of 800,000 views per video. Assuming an average CPM of $2, YouTuber A could potentially earn $400 per video, whereas YouTuber B could earn $1,600 per video. Here are the earnings of some of the well-known Pakistani YouTubers. Note that this depends on views these channels got in the last 30 days.
NCP exclusive.
know it. We know it. We know it.
The exact amount of money they make depends on factors like subscriber count, views, engagement, and brand partnerships. It's worth mentioning that YouTube's policies and algorithms are constantly changing, which can affect creators' earnings. Moreover, these figures are estimates and can vary from channel to channel. That's a wrap for today's video. We hope this gave you a better understanding of how Pakistani YouTubers make money. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes dedication, hard work, and of course, creating content that resonates with your audience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, leave your comments and questions down below. Until next time, keep creating, keep hustling, and keep shining on YouTube.